Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Guide to replace your combination switch assembly. A combination switch assembly in a vehicle is a vital component that controls various functions, like turn signals and headlights. Over time, wear and tear can necessitate replacement to ensure optimal safety and functionality on the road. Prompt replacement of a faulty combination switch assembly can prevent potential safety hazards while driving. Timely action to replace this component can enhance the overall driving experience and maintain vehicle reliability. In this video, we will delve into the importance of the combination switch assembly, the reasons for replacement, and the impact it has on driving safety. Let's explore how a simple replacement can make a world of difference on the road ahead. Signs that indicate replacement is needed. When it comes to your vehicle's combination switch assembly, there are several signs to look out for that may indicate the need for a replacement. Paying attention to these signals can help you address potential issues promptly and ensure the safety and functionality of your vehicle on the road. Malfunctioning turn signals and hazard lights. One of the most common signs that your combination switch assembly may need replacement is malfunctioning turn signals and hazard lights. If you notice that your turn signals are not engaging properly or if the hazard lights fail to function as they should, it could be a clear indication that the combination switch assembly is failing. Issues with headlights or high beams operation. Another key indicator of a failing combination switch assembly is issues with the operation of your headlights or high beams. If you experience difficulties in turning on or off your headlights, or if the high beams do not engage correctly, it may be time to consider replacing the combination switch assembly. Wiper control problems. Problems with the wiper controls, such as the wipers failing to turn on or off, operating at inconsistent speeds, or not functioning at all, can also signal a potential issue with the combination switch assembly. Maintaining clear visibility during inclement weather is crucial for safe driving, so addressing wiper control problems promptly is essential. Failure of other dashboard controls. Additionally, the failure of other dashboard controls, such as issues with the cruise control function, the horn, or the air conditioning settings, can be linked to a faulty combination switch assembly. If you encounter difficulties with operating these controls, it is advisable to have the combination switch assembly inspected for any underlying issues. Being aware of these signs that indicate the need for the replacement of your vehicle's combination switch assembly can help you take proactive measures to address potential problems and ensure the continued functionality and safety of your vehicle. If you notice any of these issues, it is recommended to consult with a professional mechanic for a thorough assessment and timely replacement of the assembly. Understanding the combination switch assembly. Combination switch assembly, found in most modern vehicles, is a crucial component responsible for various functions like controlling lights, turn signals, and windshield wipers. Understanding what the combination switch assembly is and how it works can help demystify this essential part of your car. Components of the combination switch assembly. The combination switch assembly consists of several interconnected components that work together seamlessly to provide control over different functions. These components include the turn signal switch, headlight switch, and wiper switch. Each switch is designed to manage specific operations within the vehicle, ensuring smooth and efficient functionality on the road. How the combination switch assembly works. The combination switch assembly operates by transmitting electrical signals to the corresponding systems in the vehicle. When you engage the turn signal switch, for example, a signal is sent to the indicator lights, alerting other drivers of your intended direction. Similarly, activating the headlight switch controls the vehicle's headlights, allowing you to illuminate the road ahead in low light conditions. By understanding the intricate workings of the combination switch assembly, you can gain insight into how these interconnected components facilitate safe and efficient driving experiences. Whether you're signaling a turn or adjusting your wipers in the rain, the combination switch assembly plays a pivotal role in the overall functionality of your vehicle. Replacing the combination switch assembly. When it's time to replace the combination switch assembly in your vehicle, it's essential to have the right tools and materials on hand. Here's what you'll need. Tools and materials required. Screwdriver set, pliers, new combination switch assembly. Make sure it's compatible with your vehicle model. Multimeter, safety gloves, step-by-step guide to replacement. 1. Disconnect the battery. As a safety precaution, disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement process. 2. Remove the steering column cover. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws holding the steering column cover in place. Carefully take off the cover to access the combination switch assembly. 3. Unplug the old assembly. Locate the old combination switch assembly and unplug the wiring harness connected to it. Remember the placement of each wire to simplify the installation of the new assembly. 4. Install the new assembly. Take the new combination switch assembly and connect the wiring harness according to the wire placement from the old assembly. Secure the new assembly in place. 5. Reassemble the steering column. Put back the steering column cover and fasten the screws to secure it back in place. 6. Reconnect the battery. Once the new combination switch assembly is installed, reconnect the vehicle's battery. Thanks for watching part 1 of our guide to replacing your combination switch assembly. Be sure to check out part 2 for the complete installation process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.